With Adobe InDesign, you can create multi-page documents like brochures, newsletters, magazines, books, and a whole lot more. To start working with multiple pages, you will explore the difference between facing and non-facing page documents. And you will learn how to navigate pages in a document using the Pages panel and a few other methods. If you'd like to follow along, you can open this practice file from the downloadable practice files for this tutorial so that you can see the entries first page of this document. Choose View, Fit Page in Window. Then to zoom out so you can see multiple pages in this document, press Command minus on Mac or Control minus on Windows a few times. Now, by default, pages in an InDesign document are shown vertically, and each page has its own pasteboard. This gray area around it, where you can put content that won't print, where you can put. Now, this document is a non-facing page document, since it has single pages. Examples of non-facing page documents include a double-sided flyer, a business card, letterhead, and a lot more. Now, to understand the difference between a facing page document and a non-facing page document, you will first create a new document. To create a new document, choose File, Document. In the New Document dialog box that opens, after you choose a preset like Print, you will see this Facing Pages option over on the right. Change the number of pages to 8 so that there are more pages that you can look at, and leave the Facing Pages option selected. Click Create. When the document opened, press Command minus on Mac or Control minus on Windows a few times to zoom out enough so you can see all the pages in the document. Now, since this document has facing pages, the pages are next to each other. Each set of the facing pages is called a spread in InDesign. This facing page document would become a magazine or a book, for example. This first page you see here is the cover, which is why it's a single page to start. Now, a facing page document is usually meant to be bound, like a book or a magazine. And the pages actually face each other. When you open or close the magazine or book, there are also a right-hand page and a left-hand page. So that maybe the page numbers can be put in opposite corners, for instance. You can close this file without saving by choosing File, close. Back in the non-facing page document, you can choose View, Fit Page in Window. Now you will explore navigating pages. You can use a hand tool in the tool panel on the left to drag from one page to another, or you can use this scroll bar on the right to go from page to page. All of the pages in the document can be seen in the Properties panel on the right in this page menu. You'll also see a page called A Master, which is the master page, or template you can use for the document. You can also open the Pages panel to see the pages in the document, which can be an easier way to visualize your pages, especially when you're working with a longer document. To open the Pages panel, choose Window, Pages, and it should open up here on the right. In the Pages panel, you'll see the master pages, which are like document template on the top half of the panel. In the bottom half of the panel are the pages in the document, represented as thumbnails. Now, to move from one page to another in the Pages panel, double-click the page number 5 thumbnail. The page is now the active page in the document window. You can tell which page is showing in the document window because the number between the page thumbnail and the Pages panel is highlighted. You can also see the page numbers down below the page in the status bar. If you click this menu, you can see the number of pages available and the master page at the bottom. Choose another page number from this menu, like 1, to show that page in the document window. You can also click these arrows to navigate to the previous page, the next page, and more. As you navigate using these menu or these arrows, pay attention to the Pages panel to see what's selected. There really are a lot of ways to navigate multi-page documents in InDesign, as you will discover by exploring and using the program.